Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Italian PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
In this lesson, you'll learn the present conjugation for the Italian verb meaning to finish. Repeat the Italian aloud and copy the hand gestures to improve recall.
Finire. To finish. Io finisco. I finish. Io finisco. Tu finisci. You finish. Tu finisci. Lui finisce. He finishes. Lui finisce. Lei finisce. She finishes. Lei finisce. Noi finiamo. We finish. Noi finiamo. Voi finite. You finish. Voi finite. Loro finiscono. They finish. Loro finiscono. Finisco di leggere il giornale. I finish reading the newspaper. Il film finisce alle 8. The film ends at 8 o'clock.
Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud and copying the hand gestures.
Io finisco. Tu finisci. Lui finisce. Lei finisce. Noi finiamo. Voi finite. Loro finiscono.
And that's it for this lesson. Great job! Now you know how to conjugate this verb. Go ahead and move on to the next lesson, and I'll see you there.
Hi everyone, I'm Felice Angelini. Ciao a tutti, sono Felice Angelini. Welcome to another Italian whiteboard lesson. In this lesson, you learn how to talk about well-being in Italian. Let's get started! Questions like how are you or how are you doing are very common in English, either as a greeting or during small talk. In Italian, people ask these questions as well, but typically you hear these questions when two people haven't seen each other for a while or when they are genuinely concerned about the well-being of the other person. For example, imagine two neighbors run into each other in an apartment lobby and they haven't seen each other for months. Let's hear what the two might say. Come stai? Oh, sto bene, grazie. Well, in this informal situation, we find in the question, stai means are you? And in the answer, sto means I am. Bene means well. And I say grazie, thank you, to be kind. Alright, so on the other side of the board, here, I listed a few other ways you can answer the question, come stai? Let's take a look together. Sto abbastanza bene, grazie. I'm pretty good, thank you. Sto benissimo, grazie. I'm great, thank you. Sto molto bene, grazie. I'm very well, thank you. Abbastanza bene, pretty good. Benissimo, great. Molto bene, very well. But finally, if you're not feel good, you can say, non sto molto bene, I'm not very well. This answer has a different structure. Note how you need to put non in front of the verb. Also, if you don't want to sound harsh, it's better to add molto. Okay, now let's read this response one more time. Feel free to read after me. Sto abbastanza bene, grazie. Sto benissimo, grazie. Sto molto bene, grazie. Non sto molto bene. Good job. Okay, I listed all the well-being phrases here, in order from positive to negative. Benissimo, molto, bene, abbastanza bene, non molto bene, non molto bene. And note, benissimo is the same as molto bene. All of these, except for one, have the same structure. Sto, condition, grazie. I'm, condition, thank you. Remember that if you want to say that you are not so good, the phrase has a slightly different structure. Non sto molto bene. Well, you can shorten the pattern by just stating your current state without any additional words. Abbastanza bene. Benissimo. Molto bene. Non molto bene. Ciao ciao sto, ciao ciao grazie, ciao ciao sto, ciao ciao grazie, ciao 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 sto. Okay, but in a formal situation, I suggest you say grazie, grazie at the end of the answer. Do you remember how to say well? Bene, bene. And how to say I'm well? Sto bene. Sto bene. Do you remember how to say thank you? Grazie. Grazie. And how to say I'm well, thank you? Sto bene, grazie. Sto bene, grazie. Do you remember how to say pretty good? Abbastanza bene. Abbastanza bene. And how to say great? Benissimo. Benissimo. Do you remember how to say very well? Molto bene. Molto bene. And how to say not very well? Non molto bene. Non molto bene. In this lesson, you learned how to talk about well-being in Italian. I'm Felice and I'll see you again on ItalianPod101.com. Thanks for watching. A presto! In this lesson, you learn how to ask for clarification in Italian. Clarification? What is that? When you don't understand someone or you didn't hear them, you make sure with them that you understood correctly, and that is asking for clarification. Well, in Italian there are a few expressions that come in handy in such situations. I have listed them here for you. Okay, let's look at the expressions. We have ripetere, repeat, ripetere, ripetere, ripetere lentamente, repeat slowly, ripetere lentamente, ripetere lentamente, parlare più lentamente, speak more slowly, parlare più lentamente,
lentamente. Parlare più lentamente. Parlare più forte. Speak louder. Parlare più forte. Parlare più forte. Scriverlo. Write that down. Scriverlo. Scriverlo. Fare lo spelling. Spell it. Fare lo spelling. Fare lo spelling. Let's look at the dialogue. Two young people who live in the same apartment building meet in the lobby and one of them introduces himself. The other person doesn't catch his name and asks him to repeat. Let's see what expression he chooses to ask for clarification. Mi chiamo Marcello Mancini. My name is Marcello Mancini. Scusa, puoi ripetere? Excuse me, can you repeat? Mi chiamo Marcello Mancini. My name is Marcello Mancini. As a final example, imagine your neighbor tells you about an awesome restaurant and you really want to check it out. So you ask for the name of the restaurant and maybe the address. Since it's not easy to remember, you want to write it down. What do you say? Scusa, puoi scriverlo? Excuse me, can you write it down? From all the examples, we can see there's a common pattern you can use when asking for clarification. Scusa, puoi verb phrase. And in English, excuse me, can you verb phrase? A very important thing to keep in mind is that if you are talking to someone you don't know very well, who is much older than you, or your boss, or teacher, you should opt for formal Italian. All you have to do is to substitute scusa with scusi and puoi with può. Scusi, può verb phrase. Please do your best to use the following wording. Do you remember how to say repeat? Ripetere. Ripetere. And how to say, excuse me, can you? Scusa, puoi? Scusa, puoi? Do you remember how to say, excuse me, can you repeat? Scusa, puoi ripetere? Scusa, puoi ripetere? And how to say, repeat slowly. Ripetere lentamente. Ripetere lentamente. Do you remember how to say speak more slowly? Parlare più lentamente. Parlare più lentamente. And how to say speak louder. Parlare più forte. Parlare più forte. Do you remember how to say write that down? Scriverlo. scriverlo. And how to say spell it? Fare lo spelling. Fare lo spelling. In this lesson, we have learned how to ask for clarification in Italian. Thanks for watching. I'm Felice Angelini and I'll see you on ItalianPod101.com. A presto!
What's the best way to speak and understand more of the language? Simple. Learn more words. But with all the words in your target language, where do you even start? And if you're a beginner, which words should you learn first? You're about to find out. How to boost your vocabulary with the 2,000 most common words list and reach conversational fluency. In this video, you'll learn 1. All about our 2,000 most common words list, 2. How to start building your vocabulary, and 3. How to learn even faster with special study tools. But first, if you don't yet have access to this tool, just click the link down in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. So, what is this word list, and how does it help language learners boost their vocabulary? The 2,000 most common words list is a premium study tool that gives you 2,000 of the most commonly used words. According to experts, you need to know about 1,500 words for conversational fluency, so 2,000 is more than enough for any language learner. First, here's how it works. This 2,000 word list is divided into simple categories, such as verbs, adjectives, everyday words, numbers, and days of the week. Plus, smaller lists like the core 100 words, core 500 words, and so on, so you can easily learn without getting overwhelmed. Next, each word in the word list comes with the meaning, the audio pronunciation, sample sentences, and an image, so that you fully understand each word. Now, here's how you take full advantage of this powerful study tool. First, start with a category, like everyday words, or the core 100 word list. If you want to get acquainted with the vocab, click on View Slideshow to see all of the words in an interactive slideshow. By the way, the core 100 word list is 100% free for all users. Next, if you want to learn these words even faster or save them for later review, click on Add All Words and send them to your word bank, or select a desired few, click on Add Selected Words and send them to your word bank. The word bank is your personal list of words and phrases, all in one spot. You can also use it to create and print physical study sheets. To learn these words faster, study with flashcards, a guaranteed way to memorize words fast. Just click on Add All Words, or Add Selected Words if you only want to send a few, and then click New Deck under Flashcards. This deck will now be waiting for you inside the flashcards. So take advantage of the 2,000 most common words list. Find it in the vocabulary drop-down menu on the site. Remember, you can use this powerful feature with the word bank and flashcards. Access it right now, learn new words easily, and reach conversational fluency with the 2,000 most common words list. If you don't yet have access to this tool, just click the link down in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.